What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your SMSit CRM system to your SignalWire gateway. So let's dig into it and get it done. First things first, make sure you're in the home screen dashboard of your SMSit CRM, and where it says SMS Gateway and SMPP, simply click that blue arrow. The second option that says Connect SMS Gateways, click Connect right there. Once you're done with that, from the drop down, select the gateway SignalWire, because that's what we're working on, and you're gonna just put your information in here. First, you want to go to your SignalWire account to grab that information. And from the left-hand menu, you need to go down to API. Once you're set up in API, grab your project ID, your space ID, and your token. So let's grab this information and we're going to paste it over. This is the space URL. I also need the token and hit save. Once it's saved, it'll bring us to this screen. Just go back to your home screen. And from there, you're going to want to click in the top right where it says Get New Number. Click the little blue play button on Get New Number. Select the gateway SignalWire that we're working with. And then we're going to select toll free or whatever you want and simply click search. From there, it'll give you options for what numbers are available. And we can go from there with all of that set up. So I hope that makes sense, guys. And I will see you in the next training.